Hello everyone, this is your good pal Handy Henry, and today I'm going to do a video about moving my chair, about cleaning a DS cartridge. So we're going to go ahead and zoom in here, get a good look. At my 3DS. So current situation is this is a copy of Kingdom Hearts. If you can see that, it's Kingdom Hearts. Can't even read it. Recoded. So situation is, I bought this used at Savers. Shows up fine, but it won't load. Nothing but black screen. So I'm going to attempt to clean it, the cartridge. I think it's just dirty and the contacts are dirty and just need cleaning, and hopefully that will fix the issue. So I'm going to power off my 3DS. Sometime before Christmas would be nice. There it goes. Power it off, set that over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some vinegar right here, and I'm going. I would recommend using Q-tips, but I don't have Q-tips, so I'm going to use this paper towel, and I'm going to use the end of this flathead screwdriver, and just kind of create an end to work the contact points of the cartridge with it. So, but I highly recommend you use a Q-tip. I just didn't have one around and I need to get this done. So open the vinegar, and I'm just going to get a little bit of vinegar on the end here. So I'm going to just put a little vinegar on the ends. Not a whole bunch, just enough to make it wet. It's a little wet. So I'm just going to work the ends of the tips of these contact points. Just clean them gently up and down. Nice and gentle. Each one, just going to give it a good clean. Hopefully this will fix the issue. Yeah, just clean each contact point really well with vinegar. I hope this fixes the issue. Kind of do it once over, back and forth on the ends here. I think that's good. I'm going to blow on it just to dry it off a bit. Got it smelling like vinegar in here. I'm just going to wipe it off, just wipe it dry. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if it works. Gonna put the DS cartridge back into the DS. I'm gonna power it on. Moment of truth. Doesn't work. I don't know what to tell you. I think it's the cart. But even though that didn't work, this is a good method to clean your DS and 3DS cartridges with. I think it may be something with the ROM or the board inside of the cartridge. I'm not going to really explore it much more. I was just going to show you how to clean the contact points of the DS cart. This also works for 3DS, so really, vinegar, a Q-tip preferably. I improvised with a flathead screwdriver and a paper towel. And that's it. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching my videos. I'm Handy Henry, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.